Okay, so say you're in Blender and you're mucking stuff up and you've made a bunch of junk, or you've changed some kind of part of the screen in a way you're like, whoops, how do I get that back? And you need to start a new file. To do that, you want to go to File, New, and this is where the purpose of the video comes in, because obviously to start a new file, you would go to File and New, but if you're new to Blender, you may be, what's all this stuff? I just want to start a new file. So what these are different workspaces. So Blender has this concept called workspaces, and it's basically allows developers to create almost like their own program using the Blender construct. So it's these different layouts. So we have 2D animation. Let's press don't save. And it gives us this workspace that's dedicated towards 2D animation. Like I said, almost kind of having a whole nother app within an app. And there's multiple of these. But if you just want to open a new file, the basic way to do that is to go to File, New, and then General, which is the default one. So just to clear that up for anyone new to Blender who may not get that straight away.